How to fix Snapchat camera access not working. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix your camera access not working. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So right here is my Snapchat app. So if you are seeing this error message in your Snapchat app, this is what you need to do. The first step you can actually take is to go right here and click on turn on. You can see the option of turn on. Now once you click on that, it is actually going to direct you to your phone settings like this, and right here you'd be able to see where it says permissions. So you need to go ahead and click on that like this and click on camera, and make sure that your camera option is actually allowed by clicking on allow only while using this app like this. So when you do that, going back to your Snapchat app, you won't be able to be seeing that error message anymore. So if this is not the case, if after doing this yet you are still seeing the error message, this is what you can do next. You can simply go back to your phone settings like this. So let's simply go back to our phone settings like this. Right here on your phone settings, you need to scroll down gently and click on apps. You can see that option right here. Then go ahead and search for Snapchat. So when you do that like this, looking right here, you can see where it says storage. You need to go ahead and click on that and click on clear cache and also clear data. With this, the app is actually going to refresh, and if it is a bug issue, it is going to help to fix that as well. So if this does not actually fix the problem as well, you can simply go to your Play Store or App Store like this and search for Snapchat like this, and make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. So if after following the steps yet the problem is not yet fixed, you can go ahead and restart your device. So when you restart your device, it is actually going to fix this problem. So these are the steps you can actually take in order to fix camera access not working on Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.